Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make a simple juice that will help to detoxify your system, aid weight loss, rejuvenate your cells so that you can transform your skin from premature aging and also repair any damaged tissues. So stay tuned and find out how I make this juice. To make this juice, make sure that you wash your vegetables and fruit properly to avoid contaminating the drink. I'll be making use of 2 sticks of celery, which I've already washed and cleaned. Celery contains mostly water and will help to hydrate your skin. Celery will help to purify your bloodstream, nourish and rebuild your blood cells. It will flush out any toxic from your blood and also aid weight loss. Carrot is very good because the vitamin C in it is necessary for production of collagen, which will help to strengthen your skin. So I'm going to use 4 carrots. I'll be making use of 2 apples. Apple will add sweetness to this juice, and apple has antioxidant properties that will prevent cells and tissue damage according to research, and it has abundant amount of collagen that will keep your skin young. So I'm going to use 2 apples. I'll be making use of 1 inch of ginger. I've already peeled the ginger and washed the ginger. So I'm going to make use of ginger. Ginger will aid digestion and speed up metabolism. I will cut to remove the apple seed and core. When I'm done cutting, I'm going to juice all the fruits and vegetables. To make this juice, I'm going to add all the fruits and vegetables into the juicer and allow to extract to get the juice. If you are making use of blender, you only need to cut the fruit into smaller pieces, add water according to your taste, diluting the flavor of the juice, then blend until smooth. You can decide to sieve to get the juice, or you can drink it, enjoying all the fiber content of the juice. I'm going to use juicer. When I'm done juicing, this is what I got from all the fruits and vegetables. You can take 1 cup of this anytime you like, and you can drink it 2 times in a day. This drink will help to transform any premature aging. It will help to smoothen your skin, improve your skin health, repair any damaged tissues, and also aid weight loss. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.